In the last video we have learned about the aldehydes and today हम पढ़ेंगे ketones. So ketones are the organic compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to the two alkyl or aryl groups. As you can see here, two alkyl or aryl groups are attached to the carbonyl group. This is the carbonyl group. R or R dash may be the alkyl or aryl group. Next is the uses of ketones. It behaves as an excellent solvent for certain types of plastics and synthetic fibers. Acetone. So acetone is an example of ketone. Acetone acts as a paint thinner and a nail paint remover. Girls को तो ये पता ही है. The simplest ketone is acetone, a liquid with a sweetish odor. Next is, it is also used for medicinal purpose. Let's have a look on preparation of ketones. First is by oxidation of alcohols, in which the secondary alcohol in the presence of oxidizing agent gives a ketone. As you can see, this is the secondary alcohol in the presence of oxidizing agent, that is K2Cr2O7 and H2SO4. ये oxidation हो रहा है यहाँ पे and we get ketone. What is meant by secondary alcohol? A secondary alcohol in which hydroxy group, this one is the hydroxy group, is attached to a saturated carbon atom which has other carbon atom attached to it. As you can see, the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Next reaction is the by dehydrogenation of alcohols. As you can see, when the vapor of secondary alcohol are passed over heated copper. This is heated copper at 573 Kelvin. Dehydrogenation takes place and a ketone is formed. Next is by hydration of alkynes. Alkynes on hydration with HgSO4 or dilute H2SO4 at 333 Kelvin forms ketone. This is alkyne. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है तो ये अल्काइन ही है और देन यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड बन रहा है मीन्स अल्केन अल्कीन अल्केन अल्कीन एंड अल्काइन. सो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड मतलब अल्काइन. नेक्स्ट आइसोमेरिज्म. व्हाट इज मीन बाय आइसोमेरिज्म? इन विच मॉलिक्यूलर फ्रैगमेंट इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू एन आइसोमर्स विद डिफरेंट केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड वी गेट प्रोपेनॉन एज आवर प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल्स. नाइट्राइल्स बोलने के बाद ये तो आपको दिखना ही है, C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N. ओके, नाइट्राइल्स ट्रीटमेंट विथ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस गिव्स कीटोन, फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस गिव्स कीटोन. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ईथर, फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस वी गेट प्रोपियोफिनोन. इट मीन्स कीटोन. What is meant by Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent is used synthetically to form new carbon-carbon bond. As you can see, RMGX. X equals is chlorine, bromine, iodine, any halogen. R is alkyl group. Next one is the by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Benzene on treatment with acid chloride. Benzene and acid chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride forms ketone and it forms aromatic ketones because we have used aromatic benzene. Next one is preparation of aldehyde and ketone from ozonolysis of alkenes. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि अगर आपको 3 बॉन्ड्स दिख रहे हैं ट्रिपल बॉन्ड्स तो वो हो गया अल्काइंस एंड यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड दिख रहा है, इट मीन्स अल्कीन्स, दैट इज प्रोपीन. Propane. And what is meant by ozonolysis? Ozonolysis is an organic reaction where unsaturated bonds of alkenes, these are the unsaturated bond, double bond, triple bond of alkenes, alkynes or azo compound are cleaved with ozone. Ozonolysis करना है मतलब ओजोन के साथ रिएक्ट करना है हमें और लाइसिस मतलब उनका ब्रेक डाउन करना है in the presence of ZnH2O. We get aldehyde and ketone. Zn plus H2O क्यों ले रहे हैं? बिकॉज Zn वाटर जिंक वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करता है एंड यहाँ से हमें H2O से हमें H मिल जाएगा. Reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes are generally more reactive than ketones in nucleophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition reaction हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे due to steric and electronic reasons. इसके भी reasons है. First है electronic effect. Relative reactivities of aldehydes and ketones in nucleophilic addition reactions is due to the positive charge on carbonyl carbon. Greater positive charge means greater reactivity. Electron releasing power of two alkyl groups in ketone is more than one in aldehyde. Ketones में दो alkyl groups है and aldehyde में एक ही group है. Therefore, the positive charge is reduced in ketones. Ketones में positive charge कम है as compared to aldehyde. Thus, the ketones are less reactive. Second one is steric effect. As the number and size of alkyl group increases, the hindrance of attack of nucleophile also increases and reactivity decreases. Hindrance means भीड़. As you can see, aldehyde and ketones. यहाँ पे 2 alkyl group है और यहाँ पे एक ही alkyl group है. So यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा hindrance यहाँ पे है. कीटोन में सबसे ज्यादा hindrance है. That's why यहाँ पे reactivity कम होती है.